So over the years, you guys have trusted us for all of your performance needs for your classic ride. Now, we are really happy to bring to you the Summit Classics line. This is all of the finishing touches you might need for your classic ride. Everything from badges, to gauges, to controls, to gauge bezels, everything. So because you know this has the Summit Racing name on it, it also has that Summit Racing brand quality. Check out what we have currently available and make sure you keep coming back to check out what's coming, because we got a bunch of stuff coming, like Summit Racing restoration wiring harnesses. These are going to be killer for you guys. Make sure you check them out while you're on the site too.